Hi, my name is Chris, and today we have the Ohsnap phone grip. Do you guys remember those snap bracelets you had back in middle school? You snap them on, they were a lot of fun. This is sort of what that's like, except for your fingers. So you press down here, and both sides snap up. Pretty cool. The reason why I bought this, just the other day, I dropped my phone on the ground, and now it has a dead spot on the top right. It really sucks, so I'm gonna try this out. The way this is gonna work, I'm gonna set it up, try it out for a few days, and then in the latter half of the video, I'll do my review, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. The packaging was a little bit of a pain to open up, but setup was actually quite easy. All you had to do was take off the sticky backing, line it up, and then smack it on your phone. And you're pretty much set from there. Alright, it's been a few days. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros, it's got a novelty factor. It's actually kind of fun to use, and it spins, so it's almost like a fidget spinner. I can also use this as a kickstand. So if I'm watching my trash YouTube videos, I can just lie it down like this. 45-degree angle, not too bad. What's also pretty nice is that there's a magnet in the back, so if you want to stick this onto the fridge, it'll hold. But if you also do want a wireless charge, you can slide this right off, and it's good to go. Here you can see the magnets. In order to put it back on, you just slide it up, and it pretty much clicks into place. So a couple good pros, but I do have a long list of cons. Cons. The biggest downside is that the Snapband, it loses its integrity after a while. So snapping it up is pretty easy, right? But sometimes putting it back down is actually kind of hard. Like this doesn't stay down. I have to like really push it into place for it to stay flat. That's a bit of a pain in the butt for me. Also, sometimes like I'm walking, I have the phone in my pocket, the Snapband will just pop up automatically without me pressing the center, and then I have to reach into my pocket, snap it back down, put it back in, and it's just a bit of a pain. Furthermore, you need two hands to set this up. So you can press it with one, but then you need to use two hands to close the loop, and then two hands again to pop it back into place. The fact that you have to use two hands makes it quite a hassle and definitely a little bit more inefficient. It's gotten to the point where I'm basically just popping it and holding it like this. One other thing, I found myself barely ever using the sliding function. I just didn't need to. They advertise it, but it doesn't really add too much value for me. I guess it is kind of fun the first time you try it out. Overall rating, 4 out of 10. I bought this for 17 bucks on Kickstarter, and to be honest, I'm having trouble justifying its value. Right now, it retails for 29 bucks on its website. I would not purchase it at this point. To sum it up, it's fun for the first day or two, but then it loses its novelty factor. The Snapband technology just isn't reliable enough, and the fact that you need two hands to close the loop and then take it down, it diminishes its value. I know it's a sunk cost, but I'm probably going to leave it on my phone for a week or two and then take it off. That pretty much covers it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.